Hey guys, come on in and see how I make the world's best steak fajitas out of boneless ribeye. And these steaks are medium rare. Oh yeah. These are your ingredients. Oh yeah, and we're gonna put it together. We have here steak, ribeye steak. We have the flour tortillas. We got the fajita seasoning mix, and we have the bell peppers, red and orange, along with 2 medium-sized onions. So we're gonna put all these things together, step by step. Look at that steak. Medium rare. Oh yeah. While we're getting everything prepped, we have our skillets on the stove getting hot. I'm now going to slice up the bell peppers that I've already washed off. I'm going to slice them, and once they're sliced and the onions are sliced, we're going to put some of that good old vegetable oil in that skillet, and we are going to saute those onions and those bell peppers. So here we go. All right, so now I'm going to take them to the sink and get all the seeds out of them. Make sure there's no excess seeds before they're sliced. Okay, now it's time to get those onions and get those onions sliced and diced. Oh yeah. And once we're done with the onions, we're going to be slicing up those bell peppers. Nice strips. Now it's time to put the oil on the pan and those veggies in that grease. And we're going to saute them until they're nice and tender. All right, so those are our those flour tortilla shells that we've heated on oil on the eye in the skillet, and now we're getting ready to slice that good old ribeye medium rare steak. And then once we slice some nice thin slices, we're going to be putting them in with those veggies and fajita. Look at that. Look at that steak. Doesn't it look great? Oh yeah, that's how you want that steak to look when you're putting it in that, making fajitas. So we're going to be putting fajita seasonings in the veggies and the steak as soon as we get them all sliced up. And if you want to know how I prepare my steak, please go to my ribeye steak video and you will see all the seasonings that I use and how I cooked my boneless ribeye steaks. Oh yeah, check out that recipe step by step. All right, so now it's time for the fajita seasoning mix. I'm going to be adding that right now. And now I'm going to pour over that good old steak juice from when I cooked the steak over into this. Goodness. Oh, yeah. Just listen to that sizzle. Listen to that sizzle. And now we're finishing up on the flour tortillas, and we're ready to bring it to the table. Oh yeah, PromoSTK, eating good in the neighborhood is where we're gonna mukbang this thing. So y'all come on and join us. Oh yeah.